Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're here in one of my onion beds, and the question is, how can you tell when your onions are ready to be pulled? Well, keep watching, and I'll let you know how I know. These are my onions that some I started from seed, and some I got from Haas Tools. Onions start, or the green tops, they start yellow or turn yellow after being green, and then they fall over or do what's known as the 90-degree flop. Usually this happens in summer, about 100 to 120 days after planting, or 60 to 80 days after transplants. So by this time, the bulbs have fully developed, and you can check the size of them by wringing or brushing away the dirt around the onion itself. I'll show you that in a moment. So we're going to take our tote and place it on this bed. And what I mean by removing the dirt from around the base of the onion, you'll basically wring it out like this. And if you look closely, you'll see that this onion is soft right here at the neck, and the actual leaf or greens itself have fallen over in a 90-degree angle. So we're going to go ahead and just pull this one up. So that's pretty decent. It's about comparable to the ones that we get in the store around here. So we're going to place that one in the tote. This one as well. Let's see, we got one right here that looks like it's ready. This one is ready. That one. That one's not. That one's not. That one's not. And that one's not. So we have some that are ready to be pulled, and we've gotten those, and we have some that are not. Okay, I think that's it from this bed. We're going to go over to the U-shaped bed and see what we have there. See, here we have quite a few that are bent over as well. So we're going to go ahead and get the majority of these from here. Okay, these don't appear to be quite ready here. So we're going to leave these here. But what I am going to do is, like I said, ring around the base of the plant. So they'll give them room to bulb out. So it looks like we got a pretty decent harvest of onions. I'll tell you how we're going to cure them in a minute. Okay, these are the onions that we harvested for today. They have to be cured in a warm, dry, and well ventilated space for 2 to 3 weeks. The outer skins should be dry and papery, and then I can trim the tops off of them and keep them for an extended period of time in a cool, dark place. So what I'm going to do today is go ahead and put these in my shed and let them sit there for 2 to 3 weeks, and then we'll come back and cut the tops off and then take them inside the house. The rest of the onions that you see in the bed and also in the U-shaped bed, hopefully they will cure out. I'm sorry, hopefully they will bulb out. And if they do, then we'll go ahead and repeat the same process with them. If not, then we'll use them like bunching onions or green onions or scallions, whichever one you want to call them. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we harvested our onions. These were put back, put in the ground back in October, November of last year. One thing that I forgot to mention earlier, you have to know for your growing area the type of onions that you can grow. In my area, I grow long day onions. And that's because when they do start to bulb, they require anywhere from 12 to 14 hours of sunlight to start bulbing. I'm in zone 9A, North Florida. Now, if you're in the middle part of the country or East Coast, then you can use intermediate onions. And if you're in the northern part of the country, then you use short day onions. But as I said, these are going to go into my shed and we're going to leave them there and let them cure. And then we'll process them and take them into the house. I hope you enjoyed the video, that you got something out of it. It brought a smile to your face and a little warmth to your heart. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and a comment. I will be sure to respond to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.